The upcoming Unihertz Tank 4 Pro 5G rugged beasts versus the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 Pro. In this video, we'll compare the specs of both 5G rugged smartphones to see which is equipped with the best specs, and of course we'll compare the price of both devices as well. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there we go, guys. Personally, I think Samsung just cannot compete with the popular rugged phone brands that we have, including Unihertz. As you can see, the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro is expected to be better equipped than the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update.